How to build a wedding website. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can build a wedding website using Wix. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto Wix, and this is how the website looks like. Right now you can create amazing looking websites just for free. So let me just show you. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're just simply going to click on get started over here. To get started, we're going to create an account, sign up, and move on with the video. So over here, they're basically asking us how do we want to sign up, either by email or by signing up with Google or Facebook. So I'm going to continue with Google. And once we have done that, they basically tell us over here, they basically bring us over here where we just answer some questions to get started. So just simply click on get started over here. Then over here, what kind of website are you creating? So online store, portfolio, blog, website, whatever you want to do, you can choose it over here, or you can just simply click on the skip button at the bottom right corner. Again, what will you call your website? You can enter in the name of your website over here. You can change it anytime if you want, but I'm going to skip this right here and get straight to the point. And then over here, what are your goals for this website? So whatever your goals is, you can just simply, as I said before, check these boxes or skip. Then what do you want to add to your website? These are like features that you can add to your website if you want to, but I don't think we're going to be needing these features for a wedding website, but still we'll just skip and move on. Now over here, you're good to go. Then you can just simply click on go to dashboard to go to your dashboard, and there you can go ahead and start create a website. So over here, it's preparing our dashboard. As you can see over here, it's loading up. So we'll just wait for a couple of seconds for it to do its thing, and we are good to go. So this is how it looks like. So first things first, what we'll do is over here, this is the dashboard of our website. All right. Then you can just simply go ahead and create an account, create a website. Now to create a website over here on the top left corner, you will see you have my sites, and over here you can go to all sites or you can create a new site. Since we don't have a site, this is a brand new account and we have 0 sites created, we'll click on create a new site to get started. Again, they're going to ask us some questions. We're going to skip these questions. These are like just the exact same questions, to get started with us. So now basically this is the option that we wanted to see. There are 2 options to get started with. Either you can create a website with the Wix ADI option, or you can get started with the editor. It all depends on you. So with the Wix ADI, what it is, it's basically Wix's artificial intelligence, where you basically answer a bunch of questions and then it generates a website for you that you can go ahead and edit on later. But the problem with this is that you won't have a lot of control over how your website looks and feels over the design elements. You'll only be able to change like pictures and maybe colors. You won't be able to change the overall UI and add a bunch of other cool stuff that you would probably need within your website. This is just for those who just need a website quickly, and Wix provides that service as well. But if you want a little bit more, cooler looking website, then you can go with the editor. So I'm just simply going to go with the editor and click on edit a template. Now over here you can see we have a bunch of different templates available to us. This is what I like about Wix. All the templates that you see over here, they're all very unique. They don't look like one another, and they're pretty amazing. They're very different and they're really cool. Now over here, as you can see, this is sorted by recommended, or we can just switch to sorted by newest. And over here we have some newest website themes that are available. And over here we have this new theme that has now been available to us. This is like a brand new website, where this is basically a wedding invitation, and you can see how it looks. So it looks pretty cool. It looks really great. You can go ahead and use this website as well. It even has a favorite song list as well. So it looks really nice. So I think we could go with this one. Yeah, we can definitely work with this website. So what we'll do is we'll just simply come over here at the top right corner and click on edit the site. And then it's going to load up the editor for us to work with. So just wait a couple of seconds for the editor to load up and we are good to go. All right, so as you can see, this is how the editor looks like. Now over here on the left side, you will have all of your main elements, which we will use to edit your website, right? And then over here at the middle, this is your main website. Now if you hover your mouse on each section, you can see that that section or that element has been highlighted, which indicates that you can go ahead and edit that section. So for example, if I wanted to edit this section, let's say we wanted to change this image, right? You just simply click on this image and click on change image to change this image. It already has, like, you know, a animation added to it, but we can see what type of animation it is. It's a float-in animation. Yeah, this animation right here. We click on play. This is how it looks like. It's a pretty cool animation. We can go ahead and add that as well. So simply click on change image, and over here you can just simply upload your own media as well. You can upload your own personal photos by clicking on this button right here and choosing them, and you know, you can go ahead and apply your themes, and you can go ahead and apply that animation. But for example, let's say that over here I'm going to be using, you know, media for Wix as an example, so I'll just simply write couples over here. What type of image do we choose for this segment? I mean, it is a wedding invitation, so we don't want to choose old people because, you know, I mean, not that old people can get married. I'm just saying, you know, young people are ideal. Okay, I think this image would look good, so we could go with this one, or we can go with this one as well. I think this would look good. A walk in the park. So we'll choose that image, and when we click on choose image, it's gonna replace this image right here. I mean, that image was a pretty cool image, but now we can just simply move this image around however we feel like it. But let me just undo that, and I actually want to crop this image as well, so I would like to move it over here like this one, and move it a little bit down over here. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit, I can move it down. Here we go, much better. Maybe a little bit more, not too much though. Yeah, I think that looks much better, you know, two people in the frame. Then we apply it, and there we go. We have ourselves an image, and animations are already applied. We can even change the background, the color, and the text of these text right here. Like, we can change whatever we want. We can change the ceremony. We can delete this section as well. Like, I don't know if we need this. Then we can add this, and we can change the images. And over here we can change the paragraph with the same method, and we can change a bunch of other options, even the song if you want to. Like, if you wanted to change the song, like, it has the Wix music player over here. You just simply click over here, click on manage your music. It's going to open up the dashboard over here, where you can select your own playlist as well. You can create a single, you can create an album, whatever you want. You can upload that over there. You can change basically everything you want. As I said before, it's so easy. Just simply click on a section you want to change, let's say this text, and you could go ahead and change the text as well. Just simply write whatever you want to write. You can even change the color as well, maybe like go with a little bit different color. Like, it's red, but it's not that, you know, readable, so I would definitely go with something else, maybe like this browner color. Like, this looks much better, like that one. We'll close that. Same with this one as well. We'll click on edit text, click on the colors, and change it to this brownish color. And yeah, that looks much better in my opinion, because now I can read it very easily. Same with the other background colors as well. Like, we can change that. If we want to, as I said before, delete a section, we just simply click over here and then click on the trash icon over here to delete that section. There we go. That section has now been deleted, and we are good to go. And if you wanted to add a section, then of course just simply click on add section button over here, and you can add that section, and you can change practically everything you want. So it's very simple, it's very easy. And once you've done editing your website, all that's left for you to do is connect your domain. And for that, just simply click on connect domain, and over here you can get a brand new domain, or you can connect you a domain that you already have. Now remember guys, that if you're going to use the free version of Wix, then it will have a website created by Wix written over it. So let me just show you. If we click on the preview button over here, this is how the website will look like. It will have constantly this upgrade your website to remove Wix ad written over here. So if you don't want that, my suggestion is that you would, you know, upgrade your plan to a much higher plan, maybe like a premium plan. That would work. So this is pretty simple. This is how it is. You can yeah, then just simply publish it. click on publish button over here at the top right corner, and your website will be published. And then you can just simply go ahead and upgrade to connect your own brand domain, and you are good to go. So pretty simple, that's how it is. And then you can also edit it for your mobile version as well. So pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And yeah, you've created yourself a website in a couple of minutes. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.